Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, medium-sized lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. These simple items are the foundation for a refreshing beverage that's perfect for any occasion. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Start by rolling your lemons firmly on a counter to help release their juices. Then, cut each lemon in half. Using a citrus juicer, extract about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. This step is crucial for that bright, tangy flavor we all love. Don't worry if it's a little pulpy, that just adds to the homemade charm. Now, for the sweetness, we'll make a simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. This creates a smooth, even sweetness for your lemonade. It's important to let this syrup cool down entirely before you mix it with the lemon juice. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large pitcher, combine your fresh lemon juice, the cooled simple syrup, and the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly blended. Taste your lemonade and adjust it to your preference. You can add a little more water for less tartness or more syrup for extra sweetness. Serve it chilled over ice, perhaps with a few lemon slices or a sprig of fresh mint for a delightful touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.